Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, Party City offer a 50% discount for 24 hours the day of October 30th for the sale of costumes in honor of Halloween. The scatter plot below shows the number of costumes sold and the time elapsed. Based on the scatter plot, how many costumes will the store sell at the end of the promotion? So what is it that I want to find out? Well, we want to find out how many customs, right, can we predict that the store will sell by the end of the promotion, right? So how long is the promotion, first of all? Well, it says up here that is for 24 hours, right? Now that's a huge clue because now I want you to look at X. X is actually the time, right? So how many hours am I looking at? I'm looking at 24 hours, okay? And the Y value is the number of costumes that they actually sell after that many hours. Is that right? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a scatter plot that is given to us to predict, right? So we're gonna use the points that are given to us. We're gonna make a line. How about that, right? Let's make a line and we're gonna keep an eye on the 24 hours, right? Because that's the hours that we're looking at. And then that will give us a good prediction of the number of customs that they expect to sell by then, right? And we have answer choices, so that's even better because we can actually find those points on the graph, okay? So let's go ahead and think about, for example, if I want to draw a line, right, then I'm thinking about doing something like this, right? Now remember, if you make a line, you gotta make sure that you try to use most of the points. For example, I'm not gonna draw a line like way over here. You see that? Because it's not including not even some of the points, right? So we want to find one that has like most of the points that we need. Okay, so I'm gonna do one here. It might not be exactly perfect, but that's kind of like in the path or in the pattern of all the other ones, right? So now I'm gonna go and look at my answer choices and I'm gonna find those numbers. For example, 300 customs, right? So I'm gonna go to the Y value. This is 300 right here, right? And I'm gonna go all the way to 24 hours. And the point where these two intersect, that's the point that I'm referring to. That's a little bit low, right? Yeah, what about 350? Okay, let's check it out. So if this is 300, that's 400, and 350 will be right here. So go all the way, and that will be my 350. Still kind of low, right? Okay, what's the next number? 280. Wouldn't that be less than 300? So that would be a point that is right below the other one. You're kind of further away from the line, right? And the last one is 430 customs. So let's go ahead and go to 400. This is 450. So 430 will be a little bit less than that line. And bingo, look at that. It's very close to the line. It's actually on the line, right, guys? Okay, so we can expect to for the store to sell 430 costumes by the end of the 24-hour sale. Is that right? Okay, so that's the answer, guys.